Toyota is preparing to strengthen its position in the competitive B SUV segment with the updated 2027 Yaris Cross Hybrid. Produced alongside the Yaris at Toyota Motor Manufacturing France's Valenciennes plant in northern France, the Yaris Cross continues to combine compact dimensions, efficient hybrid performance, practicality, and Toyota's reputation for quality and reliability. The Valenciennes facility covers approximately 18 hectares and employs nearly 5,000 people. The plant produces more than 1,250 vehicles per day, making it one of Toyota's most advanced and efficient manufacturing facilities in Europe.
Attention à quoi?
Ouais, donc attends.
Since its launch in 2021, the Yaris Cross has established itself as a strong competitor in the BSUV segment. In Spain alone, the model has recorded approximately 70,600 sales, highlighting its popularity among urban SUV buyers. For 2027, Toyota has introduced a series of design updates aimed at giving the Yaris a fresher and more distinctive appearance. The refreshed front-end design gives the compact SUV a stronger road presence while maintaining its practical proportions and familiar silhouette. The updated model is also offered in new exterior colors, including Celestite Grey and Petra Bronze. Inside, the 2027 Yaris Cross receives an updated cabin with enhanced equipment and a greater focus on sustainability. One of the highlights is the SakuraTouch upholstery available on the style trim. The material combines plant-based PVC, cork waste and recycled PET. According to Toyota, its production can reduce CO2 emissions by up to 95% compared with the production of natural leather. The cabin continues to focus on space optimization and versatility, making the Yaris Cross suitable for both daily urban driving and longer journeys. The biggest strength of the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross remains its fifth-generation hybrid powertrain. The updated model produces a total system output of 130 horsepower, delivering a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Buyers can choose between front-wheel drive and Toyota's intelligent all-wheel drive system. The hybrid powertrain enables the Yaris Cross to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 10.7 seconds, while claimed fuel consumption is rated at approximately 4.5 to 5 liters per 100 km, depending on configuration. The efficient hybrid system is particularly well suited for urban driving, where it can deliver low fuel consumption while maintaining smooth and responsive performance. The 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid is offered in 4 grades: Business, Active, Style and GR Sport. Each version provides a different combination of equipment and styling, allowing buyers to choose between practicality, comfort, premium features or a sportier appearance. In Spain, the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid can be ordered through the official Toyota dealer network. Prices start at €27,500.